Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Uh, Myself, CA Manoj Bhardwaj, map sheet number 98006. I'm pursuing the level 2 of AI being conducted by ICAI. I have been member of batch 8 that was conducted in Delhi, was held in Delhi. Now, this video I'm making to submit my capstone project. Uh, Herein, this project or assignment that I have taken up is for the purpose of simplifying or managing my emails in a better way. The idea that was conceived was uh, because in case of one particular client, there are a number of subsidiaries, joint ventures, associates. That is, in their CFS, there are many components. And being a consolidating auditor, I have many responsibilities and accountabilities, and it was being very difficult to follow up or pursue with those component auditors. And the idea that I got was that it should be more user friendly or more automated, the data or the information that I want them to I'm instructing them to share with me, and the rewards that I am getting from them. So for the purpose of simplifying my this follow up, I have tried to create this program, or I have created this program, the Python code, the application. Here and problem statement that I have divided, clarified. Now, for this purpose, I have used Python, and that is my core programming in which the code has been written. Now, there are many Python libraries that have been, used, which was suggested, which I have, used for the same. The Pandas, the OpenPyXL, that has been used. And this basically these libraries, these help to read the client data that is coming through mails. Then there is Dekinter, that was basically the graphical interface that would be just I will be showing you after some time. Then the TK calendar, that was basically because I wanted to specify the time period for which the emails were to be downloaded or saved, because my a client I would have been interacting for a client for, so let us say, one year, 2 years, 6 months, 2 months, whatever the period is. But I wanted emails from a particular period between one date and the other date that I wanted the my program to check. For that purpose, I used DK Calendar. Then I used SMTP, IMAP libraries, because I have the program that I have written. I have that will pull the my emails from my Outlook, that is configured, that will pull those emails and attachments from our Outlook. So these are the things that I have used. For this purpose, I have used Google Gemini, uh, because the details would be picked from the other, you could say, server. An application password was required that I have generated. So for this purpose, Python has been used, Gemini has been used. Certain part I have done on ChatGPT, using ChatGPT. Now I'll just share a live demo. Yeah, I'm just a minute. I'll just first share the screen. Last time also I forgot to do the same. Hence my this was not completed. My submission was not accepted. Now I'm opening the idle Python. I'll just I'll open my program that I've seen on my desktop. This is the email audit manager. I have run it. Now, this is the basically thing that is appearing on the screen. It has two parts. One is the sending zone, the other one is the tracking zone. Here I send the emails to the people, giving them the instructions. The attachments are sent. In particular, this particular case, I'm sending 15 attachments, but in a single click, all will be sent to that person. Just a minute, I'll just, application password, I've saved it in my note. I put in the application password. Now, in this, I'll just load the Excel file. These are the mail recipients. I'll just do one thing because I have put in many, you know, the list is long, so it might take some time. So I'll just reduce the email recipients. So that the process is completed fast. Now I'll just load the Excel file, email recipients. Now it has attached those. Now this is the folder which is having 15 files in it. Those are all are attached in a single click. Now I'll just have to click this and everything will be sent in one go. It has started the process, so it'll take some time. I had just recorded a video a few minutes back, but that went up to 18 minutes because the number of email IDs were more, so it was taking a lot of time. So hopefully it'll be completed very fast. Yeah. So now the emails are being sent along with those attachments. I don't have to, time and again write email ID to individuals. I have to just save those email IDs in one Excel file, and on a single click, this program is executing the same. Herein, I can also schedule this because in case at regular intervals they may need to be sent, I can schedule those mails too. So now all the emails have been sent. I can save the data log. Here I had done this just a few minutes back. I'll take it to, sorry, I'll just put it in place of 2 p.m. I'll make it 3 p.m. save. That has been saved. I'll show that a little later. Now I have to see this portion. Here I'll fetch the emails. So now I'll select the period from 1st of January to 10th of January. Client list, it is the same Excel file that I have to upload that contains the mail recipients. Same Excel file I have to upload. Now, just to, of field, I'll do one thing. Fetch and save. On a single click, it has started scanning and it'll save the files that have been received. Now it is checking all the email IDs. Here, the thing is that I have put a single email ID in 3 companies. So that is why it is reflecting in such a way. But when there will be different email IDs for different companies, then such issue would not arise. And further, whatever emails are being saved or fetched, and along with those attachments, this program is making separate folders for all the companies and saving it in my drive. Here the path is there. See user Manoj Bhardwaj email automation. I'll just take you to that path. I'll go to C drive. Oh, sorry, downloads. It's in downloads and downloads here. Here, this is the audited email automation. Here, company-wise folder has been created, and list the emails that have been received, Outlook files and the attachments, whether PDF, whether Excel, those have been saved here. If there is any zipped folder, that also would be saved here. So in this way, a lot of time would be saved. And I'll just take one more minute. I'll save the it also. This I'll put in 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Save. Now this is last step that I'll be showing. I'll just go to my audit emails. Here, 3 p.m. I had put. This is the detail of emails that have been sent. The email had been sent on to these email IDs at this point, at this time. Save. Now, this is the other folder, received 3 p.m., where the emails have been received. Company-wise, the folder has been created. How many replies have been received, and if there are any attachments. Now, the folder that I shared, I had been using it. Presently, I have not sent any reply from that email ID. But if I send a reply, that will be saved automatically, which I have already tested, and the folder is available over there. So this is basically my overall uh, presentation regarding the same, and it will save a lot of time and effort in organizing the emails that are being received, and the follow-up, I think, would be minimized. Further, the company-wise folders are being created. Those are being uploaded directly in my Google Drive, and the link for the same has been would be shared to the respective team members who would be working on it. And it will be a smooth process. Thank you, and I hope that this presentation would suffice. Thank you very much.